Alright guys, so I have something super cool to show you. We're gonna get on this, exit this off-ramp. Now pay attention to this off-ramp right here. Look, we're going downhill on this off-ramp, right? Alright, so we're gonna go down to the bottom of this thing and see if we can do it sometimes. Because it's a full moon right now, this might just work. So we're gonna stop at the end of the off-ramp and we're gonna put our car into neutral, okay? And now we're just gonna sit here. Let's see if it'll work. You can see it, it's starting to do it. We're starting to roll uphill. Right here. The car's in neutral. The car is in neutral right now and we're starting to roll uphill. And it stopped. Let's try getting over a little bit more and see if we can find where the magnetic pull is the strongest. Okay, we're gonna go back into neutral. Make sure our steering wheel's straight. And now you can see we're rolling uphill. And it's in neutral. I'm not doing anything. My foot is not on the gas. I'm in neutral right now. And we are rolling up the hill right now. You can see because this is a full moon. So you see the car is in neutral and we are rolling uphill right now. We are rolling uphill right now. The car is in neutral. There's nobody behind us, nobody pulling us. There's no trick photography here. We are rolling up the hill.
Dude, what? What?
No, you're just...
I'm not hitting the gas, I promise.
On neutral.
I'm in neutral. And we're rolling up the hill. And you can see we're picking up speed now.
How fast did he just go?
We were just going 15 miles an hour up the hill. Austin's gonna get out now and film us to show you, and I promise, like, my feet were not on the pedal at all. I was not doing anything. Here we go. It's starting to pull it. I can feel it. It's starting to pull us back up the hill. My feet are not on this. My feet are not on the...
What the heck?
Look, this guy's... He's coming to do it too. Watch out, Austin. You're gonna get hit by the other car. Right here, coming off the off. See, right now it's a full moon, so it's working really good.
Okay guys, you can see Jeremy is still going backwards. And he's in neutral. I watch. They're doing it too.
Alright guys, that was super crazy and freaky. I don't know if it's because there's a full moon or what, but we were just rolling backwards up a hill and this 8,000 pound van was just rolling backwards up a hill. Super crazy. I don't know, I'm freaked out. We're just keep it going. We're gonna keep cruising. I don't know where we're going now. Now I don't even know what to do.